It's super fun to make, and you're just learning how to make them.
Right. Mm-hmm.
If you mess something up, you can just pause it and go back. It's that easy. Hi, welcome to the fair. This is
Julie
and Jada
with Southern Pride Design, and today we are going to show you
how to make a softball
and a baseball trophy. Yes.
So we got
our two different toppers.
The toppers.
Mm-hmm. And we have our trim pieces. That's that. That one's first place. And we already have our second place on the base. And we're using these 2-hole bases with the faux marble. They're black weighted ones. These are really nice for the trophies. Okay, and then we have our 3 different columns. First place is going to be gold. Second place is
silver.
And the third place is orange because they don't have bronze. But so that's that. So what you need to build a trophy are your check rings, your pieces, your trim pieces, your rod, your couplers, and your washers.
So let's start up with taking this, placing it on the trophy topper.
Well, this one's not going to, we're going to do something a little bit different with our first place. So we'll have our topper. And this isn't one we're going to be using because this one's all messed up, but waiting on some other ones to come in. And we'll put our coupler on. Then we're using a 10-inch rod.
Place that in.
Yeah. Screw it on until it's nice and tight. Then we're going to be using our square check ring. It's not really called a check ring when you're purchasing it. It's like a top, and then we're using a riser. So we'll put our rectangle column in there because these are first place. We want them to be a little more flashy. And then our riser, and then flip it over, right? Put it in the hole in the base. And then, trying to balance it, right, Jada? Hold this. Hold that for me. And use your nut driver to put your washer in there. I love these nut drivers. They are magnetized, so all you have to do is throw some washers on the table and pop it right on. Makes making trophies a little bit quicker and less hectic. They also make ones that go onto the end of a drill that are magnetic, and those are really nice too. So hang on one second, sis. You just want to make sure that your column is nice and center. This one doesn't quite click in there like the round ones do, but this is what we wanted to use. So you just make sure it's nice and tight. So you got that. Now we can put our first place trim. Okay, so you can use, go ahead and say that again.
You can use every kind of first place, second place, and third place.
Yeah.
Even fourth place.
They have all kinds of little trim pieces. They have ones that look like little softballs, baseballs, soccer balls, footballs, little people, all kinds of stuff, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So you can customize your trophy however you want. So we'll put that on with a washer. And I would always recommend buying extras when you're buying your little trim pieces. JDS that we get our and Marco Awards group, I always order a case. That way I have them for later and in case any of them break or snap. So that's our first place trophy. All done. Looks really good. Now we'll just have to cut out a plate and laser engrave it, and we'll be all set with that. So now Jada's putting together our second place trophy, and with the softball top piece, our coupler, and an 8-inch rod. And then we'll put, with this piece, you don't need to put a check ring on the top, but most of the time you would need to put a check ring. This one's kind of built in, so that's kind of cost savings. Then we'll put our silver and then another check ring at the bottom. There you go. And that's that. Hold that. Oop. It's a lot of balancing. Got it? Oh, perfect, sis. Good job.
Got it all set up.
You are the best helper. Okay.
You can be too. By following this, by this top.
This channel? Our channel? Follow our channel? Subscribe?
Subscribe.
All right. And you want to make sure it's straight before you tighten it all the way up.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe turn your... I don't want all the gold lines on the front. So tighten that. And then there's our second place trophy. Super easy. Now we're doing our third place. So same thing. Topper, coupler, and this one is a 6-inch rod. Yeah. 10, 8, 6. Yeah. Same. Don't need a check ring at the top. Do upside down.
But you need it at the bottom.
But you need it at the bottom. And then for this one, we're just using a marble weighted base. This is a solid, solid stone.
Oops.
It's very heavy.
You can use this thing, that thing.
There's all different kinds of ones you can use.
Even the one place.
And again, we just want to make sure it's straight. Can't tell if it's straight. All right. So that is our third place. So we got first, second, and third. And those were super easy to put together, weren't they?
Mm-hmm.
And for the columns, we just measure them out. I kind of put together the rods to get an idea of how long I need my column to be. Make it a little bit longer because you can't always take off more. You can't add it back on once it's gone. And we just cut it with our saw. Super easy. So trophies are a great addition to your shop. They are very inexpensive and can have a higher markup, and they're super easy to put together, completely customizable. There's a lot of options out there for rods, colors, styles. This is these are 2 different styles and different trim pieces or figure pieces, things like that. So
it's super fun to make, and you're just learning how to make them.
Right. Mm-hmm.
If you mess something up, you can just pause it and go back. It's that easy.
Super easy. And you're a good teacher.
Thank you for watching. I hope you'll watch this video and like and subscribe and hit a notification bell while you're watching this video.
All right. Thank you so much. You're a wonderful helper, and we'll check you on the next one.
I hope you watch more Enterprise designs.
Yes.
So, see you later.
See you on the next one. Good job. High five. That was a horrible high five. Redo that. That's better.
Okay. At least we got some done.
Yeah. Now we just got to make the rest of these ones.
Yep, I can help you with that.
Cool.
You could like we could do two at the same time because now I know how to do them too.
Yeah.